Had a time-saving device, had a manual system where the templates created a quote or estimate, word change into PDFs. But when it came to changes, and a customer said to me, I only need one coat on the ceiling, it's already been plastered and miscoated and had a first coat, just needs a tidy up coat, or they might have changes to come back to you. Go back into the final Word document, open up the laptop, find the Word document, change one line item. This takes forever. This is like a 20-minute job. Save it into a PDF, email it back to the customer. One simple change, 10 to maybe 20-minute job. In AppyQuote, 40 seconds. All these little things add up to make a big difference. An incredibly busy schedule and time that it takes to run a trade business, little things make a massive difference, and AppyQuote is here to solve those things.